Papunta na tayo sa Silayan. So, wait lang ulit. Wait lang ulit.
Mga guys.
Papunta na tayo sa Silayan Show. Ayan, nasa labas kasi yung Silayan Show. Ayan. Ayun o, kainin na natin to. Kaya hindi lang to ha. Mr. Queso tawag sa akin, hindi na to. Mr. Queso.
Ano yan?
Ayun na yung Silayan Show. Ayun na yung Silayan Show. Ayun yung Silayan Show. Hindi pala ako. Ay, nagdito na tayo sa Silayan Show. Nakpo! Ayan na.
Hindi, lagi akong late.
Ito sa taas.
Hintay, banda doon.
Ay, may swimming pool pala. Dapat nag-swimming tayo eh. Eh, kaso may... Sarang tayo. Ayan, nakasuot po tayo ng kapote. Nasa Silayan Show na po tayo. Nakakuha na po tayo ng kapuan. Kaya ayan, hintay na lang natin yung mga silayon. Ayan, gagawa na sila ng show. Magpapakita sila ng talent. Silayon yan?
Bird show.
Di ba silayon ba't naging bird?
Bird show muna.
Okay.
Hello everybody and welcome to Manila.
Ayan guys, start na. Hindi ko alam, bird show pala muna. Bird show pala muna guys. Hindi ko alam, bird show pala muna guys.
On your left, on your right, or you're on the middle.
Up. Hindi left and right, up and down.
Now let's go to your sides first.
Si Shazam! Anong bird yan? Ayun, bird. Si Shazam. Hello, Shazam bird. Hello, Shazam bird. Hello, Shazam bird. Hello. Ayun, bagong bird.
Now guys, do you think that's the ability to find the object? If yes, then say, you can do it, Shazam.
You can do it, Shazam.
Go, Shazam, find an object for us. Action! The examples from Shazam with your birds. Now, for our next feature, birds are just like
Ayun, anong bird naman?
meaning they will be partners for life. With their running right, but as any couple will attest,
Ano guys? Ang galing talaga na show.
Big Sassy and Rocky are the
Lagay mo ulit sa show. Ang galing talaga guys. Wait lang. Ang galing talaga guys na show eh. Pero bird show muna, mamaya na yung Silayan. Galing ko pagkatapos ng bird show, doon na yung Silayan show. Pangalawa yung Silayan, tapos una yung bird.
Sassy. Come on, girls, let me hear you say Sassy, Sassy,
Sassy! Sassy!
and all the boys with your full Rocky. Come on, guys, let me hear you say Rocky, Rocky. All right, birds ready, players ready, set, go. Here's Rocky, let's first ball, followed only by Sassy. Another ball from Rocky, and another ball from Sassy. Who's gonna win this game? And for the last ball, Rocky wins!
Malaki na nanalo, hindi babae.
You guys lose this time.
Kasi lalaki ako eh.
Another race. Oh, she wants another race, Trainer Albert.
I'm sure about that. But what's Sassy doing again?
Kasi ano yun?
Well, this time I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
So, Grace,
I'm thinking about the ring race.
And what is a ring race?
The first bird to drop 360 the fastest to win. And that's ring race.
So the ring race it shall be. Remember guys, that boys already have 1 point. So girls, let's cheer louder for Sassy to win this time. We'll be doing this again and this time, a ring race. Ready, set, go! Here's Rocky first ring. Follow by Sassy. Another ring from Rocky. Then Rocky loves numbers. And I think he knows the answer. Rocky, answer number 7. So, that was 7. Rocky, bigger job.
Nanalo yung lalaki. Show na tayo guys, tapos may bird show. Bye-bye! Sorry. Wala, yung bird, pinatong nila doon, tapos, di ba kaya may tubig dyan? Para yan sa silain, tinan mo, ayun o. Para pinatong sila yan sa land, pero yung tubig para sa sila yun. Doon na sila magsiswimming. Ano, nagsiswimming ba yung bird, yung ibon? Di ba hindi? Next show na guys.
Alright, come on! Let's start the show!
Ano yung ayun, nakita ko na. Hawak ko ng mga lalaki.
Here we go! Hello, everyone! Wow, what a wonderful advert! Good night, everyone, and welcome to Aquatica. By the way, I'm Karinka, and I'd like you to meet my friends together with the trainers one at a time. On your left side is the eldest female South American select that we have here. And according to your trainer, here is the smart dance. Wow, confident! Her name is Jenny, together with trainer Divina. Say hi! And while on the other side is the youngest female South American sealant that we have here. And that makes her the sexiest. Oh, don't be shy, girl. Her name is Sandra. Together with trainer Yanni. Say hello. Now, let's continue. So guys, do you have any idea why they're called pig? Or better put it with mama. Any idea? Do they have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Hey ladies, do you have feathers? The answer is no. It's actually because of the front flippers, which are shaped like a bird's wings. See those? The term in the best will also be translated as we put that, since their flippers do look somewhat like wings. In fact, they're
galing talaga, guys. Ang galing
as they swim from wings to wings.
Ang galing talaga guys ng show.
And did you know,
Ay, nasila yun na. Nagsastart na. Nagsastart na.
But some differences between a seal and sea lion
Start na guys.
that they have
Nagsastart na guys.
and they can turn back liver, something seal cannot do. As I saw, they can walk upright while on land. And that's a final demonstration. How about the run of applause for our sea lion friends?
Hey, galing.
And you know what guys? They have this long and flexible neck. How flexible? Well, check this out. So flexible, right? How about the run of applause for our sea lion friends? And how his brothers goes short. Flat rocky plays with tight boots and have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climbing abilities, which can easily scale rocky clouds. Check these out. Truly strong front flippers. And now let's talk about the swing ability. And let's start with Sandra. The sexy ass. Sea lions are generally cruise around 11 miles per hour, using the heroic movement of their front flippers, while the back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as rudders for steering. And that is their normal swing, slow and easy. Thank you, Sandra and Trainer Gandhi. What when chasing the prey, escaping from predators, they can achieve a burst speed up to brilliantly 25 miles per hour. And that is sure enough last week. How about the run of applause for Yeti? That's smart ass. Good job, Yeti. interesting story about our sea lions. Did you know that the US Navy has trained up your them to take part of their special operation? Yeah, that's right. They are able to hold their breath for up to 20 minutes, and they can dive hundreds of feet. Abilities that even the best Navy divers would be amused of. And since they cannot be detected by radar underwater, they're taught to recognize and avoid underwater mines. So ladies, girls, are you ready? Well done, salute! Now let's march! Ready guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, up, 2, salute! This time, could you please join us in our president salute? In the count of 3, everybody please salute and make this one now! People of the crowd, are you ready? Hey guys, where's the energy? Are you ready? Now let me count. 1, 2, 3, salute everybody. Thank you so much. The lions are also used to search and recover equipment from the water. H2O. So Guidos, who are first to read? Good, then get those rings, ladies. And they got it. How about the run of applause for Yen and Sandra? Here we go, ladies. And another one. They were asking for it. Now, Guidos, what's that? The ball. How do you think you got the ball? It's a 4 minutes! Careful, ladies! Almost there! Careful! Is that yet? Fantastic! How about the round of applause for Yen and Sandra? Excellent work, ladies! This time, would you love to see a dance number from our sea lion friends? Hey guys, I can't hear you. Would you love to see them dance? Well, music maestro. Let's move it. Clap your hands, everybody, come on! Now show them the side by side. And the finger dancing. And into the water, the water planet. This is the tournament. Nice twisting, ladies. And around the world we'll go. Round and round. And one on the other side, round and round. Now ladies, let's do that boogie, boogie. Boogie, boogie. Big bad heart, yeah, bow. And skip on the land. Now ladies, show them what you got. People of the crowd, ready or come around. Well, this is the best part. Is that the end? Arriba! And for that, people of the Stadium. Now let's go! Yeehaw! How about the run for the first dance class? And for the winner as well, the big dance number. Yes! Sweet! Welcome to your new friends. That's how we're
Tapos na. Ano ba yan, guys? Ano ba yan? Gusto ko pa sana kasi ang galing-galing ng show.
with you
Ano ba yan?
wherever you go. And remember, that's what to do.
Maganda talaga. Pumunta kaya dito. Mga hindi pa nakakapunta lang. Pero makapunta na. Pero kung nakapunta na ngayon,
So, let's get harder up and sleep. Aside from pollution, there are many other threats to the survival all over the world. mind that we are the sewage of our planet and dust. Each one of us must do what we can to protect and conserve all the inhabitants of our Mother Earth, including ourselves. So on behalf of Yeti and Trainer Divina, Sandra and Trainer Gandhi, in all of us here in Guaraga and in Ocean Park, we would like to thank your board for visiting us today. And we hope you will come back and visit us again soon. So, thank you and have a nice day. Say goodbye, Nursila and friends. Bye!
Bye-bye!
Thank you for watching!
Ito na ako. Grabe ka na. Yung kasi layo, kinakagat niya sa kanya. Ang alaga niya. Ay, yung sila yun. Baka meron tayo wala silang
Bibo.
Ayan guys, kakatapos lang po natin ng sila. And ayan, bye-bye guys, like and subscribe. Click nyo lang ang notification bell para malaman nyo kung may bagong video. And bye-bye, thank you Manila Ocean Park!